You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this old English word meaning fate. It's a concept from Anglo-Saxon culture, somewhat meaning fate, okay, or destiny. So how do you pronounce it? Well, there are, I'm afraid, two different ways of pronouncing it because it's Old English. There are different interpretations. Weird is one of them that rhymes with feared or weird, W-E-I-R-D, weird. That's one way of pronouncing it. The other way, which also exists and is also correct, even though not as common, is word. Word. Yes, two different ways, weird and word. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.